And here's the bag. Face the wall.
Cinnamon
Here's the
dragon.
bag. It's the most beautiful thing in the world. Quiet.
Cinnamon
So what do I do? I just put it all in my mouth.
And then you have to swallow it.
You've never had to ask that question.
I have water for you. That's what she said.
Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Do it. Do it. Shoot him. She really did it. She's Indian. She's going to be able to do it.
She's trying hard.
Mr. P, not to come through that wall.
Try.
Grosser if it comes out your nose.
She's focusing.
Harness your chi. Oh, now she's got to suck it. She's chewing.
She might actually do it.
Like I said, girls are awesome. You're eating the shit.
I can smell it. It's slowly kind of pouring out.
Rock.
Another person
Another person.
takes on the same job.